Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, where we unravel the mysteries of human connections. I'm your guide to understanding the intricate dynamics between men and women. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic: what makes girls more comfortable with guys. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Now, let's jump into the details of what makes girls feel at ease around guys. Segment 1. Genuine listening skills. First and foremost, girls appreciate guys who possess genuine listening skills. Taking the time to actively listen to what she has to say, without interrupting or dismissing her thoughts, creates a space where she feels valued and understood. Segment 2. Respect for personal boundaries. Respecting personal boundaries is crucial. Guys who are mindful of a girl's comfort zone, both physically and emotionally, create an environment where she can relax and be herself without feeling pressured. Segment 3. Authenticity and transparency. Authenticity and transparency go a long way. Girls feel more at ease with guys who are genuine about their feelings, intentions, and personalities. Being open fosters trust and makes the interaction more comfortable for both parties. Segment 4. Shared sense of humor. Laughter is a universal language, and a shared sense of humor can make any interaction more enjoyable. Guys who can make a girl laugh create a lighthearted atmosphere, easing tension and making her feel comfortable. Segment 5. Supportive and encouraging attitude. A supportive and encouraging attitude is a key factor. Girls appreciate guys who uplift and motivate them, creating a positive environment. Knowing that there's someone cheering for them makes girls more comfortable and secure. Segment 6. Reliability and consistency. Reliability and consistency build trust. When a guy is dependable and follows through on his commitments, it reassures the girl that she can count on him. This reliability contributes to a sense of comfort in the relationship. Segment 7. Empathetic understanding. Empathetic understanding is a trait that girls cherish. Guys who show empathy and understanding towards a girl's feelings create a connection based on emotional support, fostering a comfortable and safe space. Segment 8. Respectful communication. Respectful communication is essential. Girls feel more comfortable with guys who communicate respectfully, choosing words carefully and expressing themselves in a way that acknowledges and values her perspective. Segment 9. Appreciation for individuality. Appreciating a girl's individuality is a must. Guys who celebrate her uniqueness and encourage her to be herself without judgment create an environment where she feels accepted and at ease. Segment 10. Thoughtful gestures. Thoughtful gestures, big or small, make a significant impact. Guys who pay attention to the little details and express thoughtfulness through gestures create a sense of warmth and consideration. Segment 11. Shared interests and hobbies. Having shared interests and hobbies can be a bonding factor. Guys who engage in activities that interest the girl create a connection beyond words, making her feel more comfortable and connected. Segment 12. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a valuable trait. Guys who understand and navigate emotions, both their own and others, create an emotionally safe space where a girl can express herself without fear of judgment. Segment 13. Positive body language. Positive body language is a nonverbal communicator. Guys who exhibit open and positive body language, such as maintaining eye contact, smiling, and using welcoming gestures, contribute to a comfortable atmosphere. Segment 14. Shared values and beliefs. Shared values and beliefs provide a strong foundation. When guys align with a girl's core values, it creates a sense of compatibility and understanding, contributing to a more comfortable connection. Segment 15. Flexibility and adaptability. Flexibility and adaptability are key in various situations. Guys who can navigate different scenarios with ease and remain adaptable make a girl feel at ease, knowing they can handle challenges together. Segment 16. Non-judgmental attitude. A non-judgmental attitude is crucial for creating comfort. Girls appreciate guys who listen without passing judgment, fostering an environment where they can share their thoughts and experiences openly. Segment 17. Mindfulness in conversations. Being mindful in conversations is an art. Guys who actively engage in conversations, asking thoughtful questions, and showing genuine interest, create an atmosphere where a girl feels heard and valued. Segment 18. Balancing independence and togetherness. Balancing independence and togetherness is essential. Girls feel comfortable with guys who understand the importance of maintaining individual identities while also enjoying shared moments of togetherness. Segment 19. Encouraging personal growth. Encouraging personal growth is a sign of genuine care. Guys who support a girl's aspirations and encourage her to pursue personal growth contribute to an environment where she feels nurtured and comfortable. Segment 20. Demonstrating appreciation. Last but not least, demonstrating appreciation is key. Guys who express gratitude and show that they value and appreciate the girl in their life create a sense of security and comfort. And there you have it, 20 qualities that make girls more comfortable with guys. If you've enjoyed this exploration, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening discussions. It's been a pleasure unraveling the secrets of comfort and connection with you. Until next time, take care and keep those positive vibes flowing on Wonderful Relationship. If you resonated with these points, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your support means everything to us. Stay tuned for more insightful content on Wonderful Relationship. Until next time, keep fostering those meaningful connections. See you in the next video.